In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the GoHighLevel client portal with Google Social Login. The best part is that GoHighLevel already includes Google Social Login for the client portal, so you don't have to configure anything complicated. We'll brand your portal, invite a contact, and then confirm the Google sign-in option shows up in the login email. Start inside your GoHighLevel account and head to Sites. From there, open the client portal and go into Settings. This is where you'll fine-tune how the portal looks and feels for your clients. Next, open the branding section. Give your portal a clear, recognizable name, something like your business name, so clients know they're in the right place. Add a short, friendly welcome message to set expectations. A sentence or two is perfect. Keep it warm and professional. Choose a brand color that matches your existing materials. Aim for good contrast so buttons and links are easy to see and accessible. If you have a specific hex code, use that for consistency across your website, emails, and portal. Upload your logo. A transparent PNG or SVG typically looks best. If you have versions for both light and dark backgrounds, pick the one with the best readability here. Preview the result, and if anything feels off, like low contrast or a stretched image, swap it out before moving on. When you're happy with the branding, click Save Settings. Saving locks in your changes and applies them to the portal interface your clients will see. Now go back to the client portal dashboard to invite a contact. Click Invite, then type the person's email address carefully to avoid delivery issues. Send the invite. This first message prompts the contact to accept the invitation and get connected to your portal. After the contact accepts, it's time to send their login email. On the same client portal dashboard, look for the option to send the login email and click Send. This message includes the secure link your contact will use to access the portal. To verify the Google integration, open Gmail for that recipient. Find the new login email, open it, and look for the Google sign-in option, typically labeled Continue with Google or Sign in with Google. Seeing that confirms the integration is active and ready to use. If the message doesn't appear right away, refresh the inbox and check spam or promotions. And if the Google button isn't visible, ensure you sent the login email after the invite was accepted. That's it. Your GoHighLevel client portal is branded, invitations are flowing, and Google Social Login is live.